Add oil in a pan and place paneer cubes. Sprinkle some turmeric and red chili powder. Fry the paneer cubes until it becomes little golden. Take warm water and add a teaspoon of salt in it. Mix well. Add fried paneer cubes in it. This process keeps the paneer soft. Take half cup of curd, add turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder and paneer masala. Mix it well. In the same pan, add some more oil, cloves, black pepper, cardamom, cinnamon and bay leaf. Add finely chopped onions. Remove the bay leaf. Add 1.5 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Add 1 cup tomato puree. Cook it well and add the curd. Mix well and cook it until the oil separates. Add water as required. Place the paneer cubes. Cover it and cook it well until the consistency becomes a little thick. Take a small bowl and place it in the pan. Heat a piece of charcoal and add in the bowl. Add a teaspoon of ghee and cover it immediately. Remove the bowl. Garnish with coriander leaves and fresh cream. Mix well, and it's the time for final plating. Our dhaba style paneer is ready. Enjoy it with roti or rice.